Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna print some 3D print illusions. Before starting the video, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. So this is an optical illusion. So it is looking like a triangle, right? But if you look from a different angle, it is just a normal object. It's interesting, isn't it? So now move to the next part of illusion. This is another great illusion you will get to know soon. For this illusion we need this kind of two cones, and then we have to attach both of them with glues. Next we have to 3D print a ramp like this. As you can see, the ramp is slanting downwards. So according to gravity the object should go downwards, but here the object is moving upward. This is a great illusion, right? Even if you place the cone in the upward, it will not go to downward. So the main trick is in this cone. It is designed like that it will go only upwards. This is the next illusion where you can see the ball is inside the cage, but if you try to pull out the ball from the cage, it will not come out because of its size. So this design has been printed in such a way that ball remains in the cage from the beginning with the gap. This is also an optical illusion. If you look from this angle, you can see the edges are in downwards. But if I put the ball at the edge, it will go in upwards. So why this is happening? Can you guess? So the main trick is if you rotate the object, the design completely changed, and you can now figure out why the ball going upwards. This is a Penrose triangle. But if you rotate the object, it is not a triangle at all. So from a perfect angle, it is only looking like a triangle. So guys, how is this optical illusion? Comment down below. Hope you have enjoyed the video, so give a like and subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for our next video.